Location, amenities, grandeur. 3 words that perfectly describe this luxury condo located at 20 Rutledge Street in downtown Nashville. As you enter the home, you will notice the main living space centers around capturing panoramic views just beyond the floor-to-ceiling windows. The balcony provides breathtaking views of Nashville day and night. The chef's kitchen features quartz countertops, soft close cabinets, Sub-Zero, Wolf, and Asco stainless steel appliances. Just off the kitchen is one of 2 master suites. Tucked away in the corner is the second master suite, which features picturesque views. There's a stunning rooftop deck with plenty of room to enjoy an outdoor meal and savor the skyline views. For more information on this incredible condo or to see it for yourself, contact Bobbi Astorga.